Welcome friends to One Stop Java Solutions. I am Snehasis and today I am going to explain the jump statement in Java. Okay. So in my previous video I already covered the all the control statement, that is the selection iterations. Okay. So for memorize I am explaining for the selection. There was three statement. One is the if else if ladder and switch case. Okay, and for iteration we have covered the while loop, do while loop, and for loop, also the for each loop. Okay, and now we are going to explain the jump statement. Okay, so for jump statement, Java support three jump statement. Okay, one is the break, one is continue, and another is return. Okay, so this statement transfer control to one, means one part of your program to other part. Okay, means in normal sequence you have seen that it will do line by line. Okay, whatever line it's encountered, it's execute all the lines in sequence. But if we use any jump statement or any means any selection statement, then based on your logic it will execute some part of your code. Okay, so jumps also do the same thing. So statement, it's transfer control from one part of your program to another. Okay, so break, first we are discussing about break statement. Okay, so break we basically we already explained. So we can use break in for loop. Okay, and you can use break with switch case as well. Okay, so in Java, break statement has the three uses basically. First, we have already means discussed that the terminates the statement sequence, means for loop. Suppose, okay, here I am writing break demo. Okay, so writing a class break demo. Okay, and write the main method. Okay, so you can also, okay, next time I will show you, means each and every time to write the public static void main, you can generate this code as well in Eclipse. Public void main string args. Okay. So three use of break. Okay, we can use three type of breaks. So first you have seen it terminates the statement sequence. Okay, in switch statement. So in my, if you see here, I have already switch case demo. So here you can see if it matches with case 9 and case 10, we are using the break. So if this case satisfied any case of these two, so it will print this and it will terminate this sequence of code. So next means if once reaches to break, it will means goes out of the switch statement. Okay, so it will means next of the statement like case 7, case 8, and the rest of the cases will not execute. Okay, so that we have already seen. In second, it can use to exit for a loop, exit a loop. Okay, so that also we explained. Here you can see nested for loop. Okay, here you can see, here I have already shown that it's there or not. I guess no, here it is not. So that you can write here as well. Okay, so I am writing here. Suppose I am writing a for loop for int I equal to 0. Okay, I less than suppose 10 and I plus plus. So this loop supposed to be execute 5 times. Okay, so so I am just printing the value of I. Okay, so in normal scenario this loop should execute 10 times, but if we write here if I equal to 5, okay, if I equal to 5, then I will try to break it. So here, and then I am writing here break. Okay, so if we execute, so here you can see it will be 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, but in this loop, if we use the loop for I equal to 0 and I less than 10, so this loop supposed to execute 10 times, but inside the loop I am using the break statement based on my condition that if I equal to 5, then I want to break the sequence of execution or iteration. Okay, so here the sequence of execution break, and it will means goes control outside of this for loop. Okay, so that also we have seen. And the third one of the break statement is go to. You can use the break statement as like go to statement. Okay, so suppose here I am writing few code like a. Okay, this is the block of a, then I am writing b. Okay, and this is the b block, and I am writing c here. Okay, and this is the c block. Okay, so here I am writing one print statement. Okay, so okay, this is my print statement. I am writing in the here the end of block b block. Okay, so this is not the end of b block, so this is the end of a block. So before that I am writing here, I am writing end of a block. Okay, so this is the starting of b block and this is the ending of b block. So before that I am writing okay, and this is the c block. So here I am writing b, this is the block b and this is block c. Okay, and here I am using a break statement. Okay, break. So how you will write? Okay, not here. Here also you can write. So this is the end of block C. So before that I am writing. So it will execute this or not, I have to check. So here I am writing that if suppose giving some condition true. If true, then break A. Okay. So if I execute this code, okay. So I am writing search. Sorry. Search. I am executing this code. So it didn't execute anything. I write C. So here you can see end of C block. So break C. If I use the break C, that means it will reach to the end of C block. Okay, so end of C block means it will directly move control. Here is the C block, so it's directly move control from here to here. Okay, C block. So this statement will not execute. This C statement will not execute. Okay, so it will directly move here. And if you use instead of C, if you write here B, then it's it will move control directly here. So only this A block will execute. End of A block you can see. Yeah, end of A block. Okay, so if you use break B, that means it move the control to the end of B block. Okay, so here I have mentioned this is the B block, so it will break the sequence of code till the end of B block. So that means these are the like go to. If you use the go to statement in C, if you are familiar with C, then there you can see you can use some label, and directly you can, if you use the go to and use that label, so it will move, means control will goes to this that label. Okay, here also the same thing. So if you use the B, that means it will reach to the end of the B block. Okay, so end of the B block means till this. So it will, I am using break B, so it will move the control out of B block. Okay, and so that only this line should be executed. And if you use the break A, that means control will goes outside the A block. So A block means from here to here, so it will come out after this line, means here. So there should nothing to print. Okay, so if you execute this, so you cannot see anything. So here, for example, if you write something here, that end of end of program, end of program. So now you can see this line. Here you can see end of program. Okay, so this, using this break statement, you can use as like the goto. Okay, so break you can use as a form of goto statement. So that's it. I guess you can understand the use of break. So three kind of break you can use. Two are, we have already seen that in switch case you can use the break. In for loop you can terminate the loop iteration. Okay, and for as like the goto statement you can use the break as well. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and for rest means other part of the switch control statement, you can go to you can link you can see in description box, so go there and watch all the videos. Okay, and in next video I will describe about the rest of the two parts means of the jump statement, that is continue and return. There is three jump statements, so break all is covered here, and continue and return I will explain in the next video. And also subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon, so you will get notification once I upload the next videos. Thanks for watching this video.